and the 5 string and 1 string is open. 2 finger on the second fret of 4 string E. Can hold A on the third string of guitar with the third finger and the first fret of 2 finger, 2 string of guitar with first finger. First chord, first A minor is here. 4 sound, 5 sound, 4 sound, and 1 and second string is not, it's not played. Yes. You can hold the here with 5 string, 5th fret of 6th string of guitar, and the note is A, and this next note is C on the 3rd fret of guitar, and you can hold a 2nd fret of 4 and 3rd string of guitar with 1 hand, 1 finger, excuse me. Next, A minor, the first finger on the 5th, 7th fret of 4 string of guitar with the first finger. The third finger on the 9th fret of the 3rd string and 10th fret of 2 string with the we hold with 4 finger and the 2nd finger on the 8th fret of first string of guitar. Four sound, 6 and 5 string is not played. Yes. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe me. Set the bell on all option for enable notification of new posts. Here. Can hold the 5 and the 5 position of guitar, 6 string, hold 6 string on 5 fret of guitar, 5 position of guitar, and you can hold this note and 7th fret of 5 string and 7th fret of 4 string with the 4 finger. Next, A minor, 6 sound and 5 sound. And the open note is just 5 string, 6 and 1 string is not played. Yes. In just which finger or which is better. Yes. Can hold the 10th fret of 4 string with 2 finger and the 9th fret of 3rd string with 1 finger and the 3rd fret of 3rd finger on you can hold with 3rd finger on the 10th fret of second string. Next A minor is okay. Can here. Okay, A minor. A minor here. 5 sound, and then open note is A on the 5 string. 5 sound. String, 12 fret of first string with one finger. The second note is with you can hold 2 finger on the 11 13 fret of 2 string, and the 14 and 14 fret of third and fourth string, first with 4 finger and the second with the third finger.